Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix emergency calls only on Android. Let's get started. Now, maybe you were just trying to make a call and it simply says emergency calls only. This could be happening due to a setting issue. If I pull down the notifications panel, you can see it says emergency calls only. If your phone was working fine before but is now showing this error, there are a couple of ways to fix it. The first thing you should do is open Settings. After opening Settings, go to Connections and ensure all settings are configured correctly. Next, go to SIM Card Manager to verify your SIM settings, and then check More Connection Settings for additional configuration options. You can try toggling some of these settings on or off to see if it resolves the issue. If you're unsure about these options, you can reset the settings. To do this, scroll down to the bottom, go to the About Phone section, and select the Reset option. Once you're in the Reset section, you'll see the option for Reset Network Settings. However, I recommend selecting Reset All Settings instead. This will reset not only your network settings, but also security, language, account, personal settings, and settings for downloaded apps. When you reset all settings, any misconfigured settings in your phone or contacts application will be corrected. This process should help resolve the issue. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try removing and reinserting your SIM card. Sometimes, if the problem isn't software related, it could be hardware related. Additionally, try toggling airplane mode on and off, restarting your Android phone, and testing any other basic troubleshooting steps. Lastly, check for any available software updates. Open Settings, go to Software Update, then tap Download and Install to see if there are any updates. Installing the latest updates can often resolve issues like this. If there is an update, make sure to install it and keep your phone up to date with the latest version. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.